A Pakistani high school student has recently received a video reply from Chinese astronaut Bowming after she wrote a letter to Chinese astronauts. While attending a ceremony held recently to celebrate the return of Pakistani seeds from the Chinese space station, the student, Asiya Ismail, shared her communication with Chinese astronauts.
I want to know how astronauts are able to breathe in space. Does the space environment have any mental effect on astronaut? Does combustion occur in astronaut in the space station? What if an astronaut wants to do a fish BBQ in space?
亲爱的阿西亚·伊斯梅尔，你好，我是中国航天员刘伯明，很高兴收到你的来信。我们都知道，人类呼吸需要氧气，在空间站里，通过电解质氧来提供呼吸所要的氧气。舱内的大气环境和地球一样，所以我们的呼吸和在地球上基本没有变化。在空间站里，任何明火都不被允许，所以如果想要烤鱼，就要单独设一个装置，并与舱内呼吸环境隔离。
I'm so happy, so grateful, and I was so amazed by the humbleness of the astronaut, and I wasn't expecting such an answer. He answered all my questions. I was blown away, and overall it was a very great experience.
China helped Pakistan take 7 herbo seeds to the Chinese station for space breeding by exposing them to cosmic radiation and microgravity to mutate their genes. The seeds were launched into outer space, carried by Shenzhou 14 spaceship on June 5, 2022, and after 6 months of flying, returned to the Earth with the Shenzhou 14 astronaut crew on December 4 last year.